Ta-da! A rocket, idiot.
Literally why?
Astro lives on the moon, right?
He isn't on the moon. He is the moon.
Same thing, fish breath. If we go to the moon, we can talk to him directly.
Wait, how the hell did you even get this rocket?
Boo! I built the rocket.
We're going to trust a rocket built by Scraps?
Dude, Scraps is a great engineer. She built V's TV show set.
I am not getting in that thing.
Calm down, Tom. Rapid. Plenty safe. See?
Lame.
Well, that was a complete failure.